Just me. Alright. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to write a simple Python program that tells us whether a number is positive, negative, or zero. Okay, let's start. I type a code. Uh, Number, zero, enter, number, zero. First, I'm asking the user to enter a number. I wrap the input into float so the Python treats it as a real number, not a string. Next, if number is number zero, the number is positive. Now I start with an if statement. If the number is greater than 0, we print that is positive. Next, Ellis number zero, print the number is negative. Then I add elif, which means else if. If the number is less than 0, we print that number is negative. And last, else. Print number is 0. And finally, if it's greater than 0 and not less than 0, that means the number must be 0. So, I show the example run of this code, the output. Let's run. So, I'll type, let's see it in action. If I enter the number 1, the output is, wait, I'll rerun. 1. Yan. If the number is greater than 0, the number must be positive. Okay, I'll show you the one that show is the number is negative. I'll type negative 1. If it's less than 0, the number is negative. I'll type, okay, I'll run. Now I put 0, number 0. It shows the number is 0. And if it's neither, meaning it's exactly 0, the program number is 0. So that is my discussion for my final project. And that's all for my discussion else if. Thank you.